Hey guys, how's it going? Splatterhausen here. Whoop, boop, boop. Anyway, we're doing another episode right now of Will It Voorhees, but this is going to be more of an improvement style of the show. Uh, Last episode we did a Scream mask, hard plastic and stuff, and I've seen a lot of people doing the Spirit Halloween uh, regular ones. I'm not even going to do that this year. Hush has it taken care of. But what I did notice is over at CVS, labels Spooky Village on it, horror hockey mask. And this is kind of reminds me of the old school versions. If you hear it though, it's a very louder, feels more, might be a little more brittle hockey mask. So we're gonna see what we can do to make this look a little more like Jason mask. A little more improvement on it and stuff, you know. So like here's the one I got off Wish. Boom. And then there's this one. And I'll be doing the Wish one, improving it and making it look better too. So, well, it's smaller too. Look at that. So the question is, can I make this a better Voorhees mask? Will it Voorhees? Let's find out. Alright guys, so we went from this to this. I think we did a pretty good job making this look a little more authentic. Yeah, it is a little tighter on the face. Maybe putting some pieces of foam or something in to suspend it out a little bit, but I love making super damaged Jason masks. You know, I put a little bit of Freddy versus Jason in there, part 4, some real bad busting up around part 6, bullet hole and whatnot. But yeah, no, I think pretty good job. This is a pretty fun build, and I have a special one I'm going to be doing later. This is Ancient. This is the old one. This is what they originally looked like. You can see how they're kind of see-through. These are glow in the dark, and so you know how old it is. That's right. That's a Halloween Express. And back then, Halloween Express, they were $5. I actually worked at Halloween Express one year. It was pretty fun. They had a week where they couldn't afford to pay the employees, so what they did was they gave us a big box and said, fill it up with as much Halloween stuff, and they didn't limit anything. They were talking masks, costumes, accessories, and what I did was I went over to the back where they had all these in reserve, and I probably put about 300 in there. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a special one of these, and look, even on the back and stuff, all the warnings letting you know that you can't use it as an actual protective mask and stuff. But not even affiliated with Friday the 13th, not the proper holes. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to try to keep this as much to this as possible, but I'm going to add holes and do the damage and stuff like that, but it's still going to glow in the dark, and I'm still going to even leave this little guy right here. But that's going to be a later one I know I'm going to do. The next one I need your guys' help with for a Will It Voorhees. I am torn between 3 masks right now. And I know the next one, I was thinking, yes, I want to do another mask, and then after I do another mask, I want to branch out and do something that isn't a mask. You know, like how I did the what is it called? The milk jug. So, our choices are this mask I got from Dollar General. Cool little gas mask. See what we can do to make it look more like a Voorhees mask. And then this is from Dollar Tree. Boom, ninja mask. See if I can do a Voorhees ninja mask. And our third option I picked up a couple years ago. Oh yeah, real small. It's meant for kids, but you know, I was kind of intrigued about it. So, comment down there which one you rather see, whether it be Spider-Man, gas mask, or ninja mask. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. The more likes I have on here, the more comments, the more shares, it lets me know that you want to keep seeing me do stuff like this. And so I can keep going with more content, you know, keep going. I'm getting ready to do another Crystal Lake Customs, which is where you take an actual, the more Jason mask and make it look like something else. You know, I done a Pikachu one, Infinity Gauntlet one, and I'm trying to think of what I want to do next with that. Still spitballing it right now. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Comment down below which one you want. Spider-Man, Ninja, or gas mask. Have a good one, guys. Happy Halloween.